Welcome to our video. In this video, we will be exploring the insightful book, The Love Prescription: 7 Days to More Intimacy, Connection, and Joy. Written by John M. Gottman and Julie Schwartz Gottman. This book is a guide to improving relationships and strengthening bonds between couples, providing practical tools and exercises to achieve a deeper connection and enhance the joy in your relationship. The authors, who are well-respected psychologists and researchers in the field of couples therapy, offer a 7-day plan to help couples understand and improve their relationship, with a focus on increasing intimacy, connection, and joy. So, if you're looking to enhance your relationship and bring more happiness and fulfillment into your life, then this book is perfect for you. Join us as we dive into this exciting and transformative journey towards a happier relationship. Day 1. Make contact. It's not a good idea to only focus on fixing conflicts. It's important to work on being friends first. This can be difficult because when you are in conflict, you might want to solve it right away. But if you only focus on the conflict, it can make the situation worse. This happens because when things get tense, our bodies can react, and we might do things we usually do to cope, even if it's not helpful. The 10-minute check-in rule. It's a good idea to check in with your partner at the beginning of the day, but you can do it at any time that works for both of you. Set aside 10 minutes where you can listen without rushing off. This could be in the morning with coffee before work, or in the evening after putting the kids to bed. Ask them, "Is there anything you need from me today?" This creates a sense of turning towards each other because it gives your partner a chance to think about their needs, shows that you want to be there for them, and gives hope that you will try to help if they tell you what they need. When your partner answers, try your best to say yes and make it happen. Whether they need a break from the kids or a lunch date with you, do what you can to make it happen. This simple question builds trust, which is a key part of any relationship. Trust means having each other's backs. Day 2. Ask a big question. Ask your partner one big question and see where the conversation goes. A big question is an open-ended question that doesn't have a simple yes or no answer. There are many different answers, and your job is to listen and follow your partner's thoughts and feelings. A big question can be serious or lighthearted. For example, you could ask about unfulfilled dreams, your kids' future, changes over the past year, or current life goals. Or you could ask about fun things, like what animal they would like to be for a day, how they would design your dream home, or what new skills they would want to learn. Choose a big question that's open-ended and fun to talk about. You don't have to talk about serious or difficult topics today. You might be surprised at where the conversation takes you. Help your partner say more by encouraging them. Ask questions, show interest, and be curious. You don't have to have an answer for everything, and you don't have to solve their problems. In fact, try not to solve problems today. Instead, listen and learn new things about the person you love, and be open to surprises. If you feel the urge to solve problems or argue, just hold off for now. Remind yourself that this is about listening and learning, not about solving problems. Day 3. Say thank you. Saying thank you is a simple way to show appreciation and gratitude for the things people do for us. This can range from thanking a colleague for their help at work to thanking a stranger for holding the door open. However, it's important to remember to say thank you in our close relationships as well. Our partners want to know that they've made us happy and that their efforts, even if they're not perfect, are still recognized and appreciated. It's important to not take them for granted. Step 1. Observe your partner. Take a break from your usual routine and spend some time watching your partner as they go about their day. Focus on observing and try to eliminate any distractions. You can spend the whole day doing this or just a few hours. This will help you train your mind to focus on your partner and their actions. Step 2. Say thank you. To show appreciation and gratitude towards your partner, try to thank them for even the small things they do. Observe them closely and find opportunities to say thank you. Instead of just saying thanks, explain why that small thing is important to you. For example, If they make coffee every morning, say thank you and mention how it makes you happy and starts your day off right. Day 4. Give a real compliment. Today's exercise is important whether you have a strong relationship with your partner or if your relationship needs some improvement. If your relationship is strong, it is important to keep it that way. But if your relationship has lost its spark, it's not too late to bring it back to life. Remember the positive feelings you had for your partner when you first fell in love and commit to bringing those feelings back. A little bit of effort can go a long way in improving your relationship. This exercise has 3 parts. Step 1. Think about the words that describe your partner's character and personality. Choose 3 to 5 words that you think best describe them. Step 2. Pay attention to your partner and notice when they show the qualities you chose. Observe them and see when they are being warm, funny, generous, etc. Step 3. Let your partner know how much you appreciate them. Tell them the things you love and admire about them. This can be done more often, as every time you do it, it counts and makes a difference. Day 5. Ask for what you need. In order to get what you need and want from your partner, it's important to learn how to communicate clearly and effectively. The process has 3 steps. Step 1. Reflect. Take a moment to think about what you have been wanting from your partner. This can be anything, such as spending more time together, getting help with housework, feeling more supported, or hearing "I love you" more often. Step 2. Reframe. Instead of pointing out what's wrong, flip your perspective and focus on the positive. Offer an opportunity for your partner to fulfill your needs. Step 3. Describe yourself. When asking for what you need, it's important to talk about how you feel and what you need. Use phrases like "I miss you," "I am feeling so tired today," or "I love being held by you." By using I statements, you are making it easier for your partner to understand your needs and how they can help. In conclusion, by knowing what you need and saying it clearly, you increase the chances of getting what you want. Your partner wants to be there for you, so make it easy for them by drawing a map for them. Day 6. Reach out and touch. Today, the goal is to strengthen your emotional and physical connection by creating moments of physical contact. The author emphasizes that spending time together is key to nurturing this connection, and suggests creating as many opportunities for physical connection as possible. This can range from simple actions such as sitting on the couch together, holding hands, or stopping for a hug, to more intimate activities such as kissing or massaging each other. The author also mentions the positive impact of physical touch on the body and brain. For example, kissing activates 5 out of 12 cranial nerves, which is beneficial for the brain. A 20-second hug releases oxytocin into the bloodstream, which has physical effects such as dilated blood vessels and increased oxygen to the brain. Oxytocin is commonly referred to as the love hormone, and is associated with increased feelings of love, bonding, and attachment. Overall, the author is encouraging partners to be intentional and deliberate about creating physical connections, and to make sure both partners are comfortable with the activities they engage in. By doing so, partners can experience the physical and emotional benefits of oxytocin and strengthen their connection. Day 7. Declare a date night. Having a dedicated time for a couple to connect and strengthen their relationship is important, and this can be done in a variety of ways. A mini date can be a simple and spontaneous way to spend quality time together and deepen your connection. It's important to set some ground rules for the mini date to ensure that it is a positive and effective experience. Screens, phones, and other distractions should be put aside to allow for real, human interaction. It's also important to limit alcohol consumption so that you can be fully present and in control. Both partners should be on board with the plan and excited about the mini date. It's also important to note that the mini date does not have to end in sex. This can take the pressure off and allow for open and honest conversation. The mini date should not be stressful or perfect, but rather a time to simply enjoy each other's company. It's important to make this a habit and to have regular mini dates to maintain and strengthen the relationship. Lastly, it's important to make the mini date just for the two of you, without any outside distractions or interruptions. This will help foster a sense of intimacy and closeness between the partners. In conclusion, the Love Prescription, 7 Days to More Intimacy, Connection, and Joy by John M. Gottman and Julie Schwartz Gottman, offers practical tips and advice for couples to deepen their emotional and physical connection. From taking the time to physically connect with your partner to engaging in open and honest communication, these 7 days are designed to bring more intimacy, connection, and joy into your relationship. We hope this video has been helpful in summarizing the book and providing some actionable steps you can take to improve your relationship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more relationship and self-improvement content. Thank you for watching.